I'm gonna follow Yultz. Or Yutz. What is this? Yutz? Yeah.
Probably not a good idea.
Why? He dies a lot? I don't even know where you are, Moo.
Look for me. There, now you can see us without us moving the camera constantly.
Hey, there's Yutz. And there's just his friend. There's a lot of Yutz here. Oh, I see your point. You get double way. Cool.
Someone's trying to get on top of you.
Why? He's got enough space, don't you?
Yeah, it's a thing.
Okay. Staying still.
You know what? I'm gonna come over there. What? I'm glad I didn't come over there.
That was quick.
I should have stayed where I was.
That was really
Should have
quick.
stayed. It's dang.
Probably.
It's already been 30 minutes.
Has it?
Yeah.
Wait, no, not yet. Now it's been 30 minutes.
Okay, it's been 30 minutes.
Moo, where are you? I have no idea, but this dude's in my face. Oh, you're a flood.
Yeah.
Hmm,
I think I killed someone.
You think, I think, we think.
Ow.
I was like, did he just commit suicide? No, but he just died.
There's always that possibility.
There's two behind me, isn't there? There always is. Fuck. What just happened? Oh! There's always people behind me. Are you the one? Was that you?
No.
You were just hitting B a lot. I doubt that was not you. That was double negative in that. That's my reason.
Ah, he's dead.
He died.
Last man standing. Game over.
Teabag.
Or actually, round over. It's not game over.
Team round over.
Team round over?
Yes. Makes sense in my mind.
Haha, I think you're infected.
Am I? Am I really? Yep, I'm a flood. I'm a flood. I'm an alpha flood. Why the frick am I an alpha flood? Stop, people. Stop.
You're the first.
What am I doing?
Be.
For the love of God. Someone else be alpha flood. I hate being alpha flood.
You're the first to be flood, so
That's weird.
that's why you're alpha flood. Fuck.
What the fuck?
What?
Oh. Ah! Oh God! I wish I had like 360 vision so I know what the fuck was going on. Go away. You're the ones that came after me. Don't do that. It's a bad idea. I just killed a guy. This is just defense now. What the frickity? Where? Are you kidding me? Oh! Is that me or someone else? I'm someone else.
Someone else assassinated him for you. Someone just stood there and started teabagging, so I went up and killed him.
Good. He's a dumbass. I know I just went down into enemy territory. That's never a good idea.
Fuck.
I think when I get home, I'll listen to that song.
1 minute left.
No! So far.
I killed him.
Did you kill me?
Did I kill you?
I don't know.
Oh, I might have killed you.
How do
I don't think I did. I don't think that was last man standing?
No, I was second to last.
Oh, okay. Maybe I did kill you then. Sorry. Didn't know that was you! I still would have killed you.
I was trying to jump up on the thing.
I'm sorry.
And then you just appeared out of nowhere. And you're like,
hi!
hi!
You were in a corner, and I just was like...
I wasn't in a corner.
Take advantage. You were kind of in a corner.
I wasn't in a corner at
To me,
all.
it looked like a corner.
It's not a corner.
It was a corner.
It's not a corner.
Yes, it was. Don't patronize me. Lethal dose.
When do you need to go to bed? When do you need to go home?
Probably soon.
After one more game?
Yeah, let's play one more game.
Considering now we're in it, we can't get out of it.
Well, nope. Dirt. So we're gonna play one more game, and then I have to go home because I have to work tomorrow. So
I'm 25.
25 what?
Level. Guess what major, or guess what rank I am in Reach.
How?
What?
What rank?
I am a major.
And I said what rank, and I didn't mean to say that. I said what rank. I meant to say what rank, and it came out what rank.
Okay. I didn't notice. The first time you said something, and I'm like, what?
I said how.
Yeah, how?
That's not the word I was thinking of. I don't know
How
why.
does how answer my question?
I don't know. I don't know how that is.
We're both wearing black shirts today.
We are.
Mine's more decorative. It's got more dog hair on it.
Mine says no time for haters.
Oh, crap. Bottom one.
I don't know what I am. Okay.
You got the top one. Oh, I like this place. This place is fun. Fuck!
Did you just die?
Yeah, some idiot's like, hello. I am Lindsay Lohan, and killed me.
Really? You're gonna put Kakuma the Dictatorist out of here?
Mm-hmm.
What is he doing? I'm gonna be in this corner. Gonna do this, and I'm gonna die. Oh, he did camouflage. You cheater. So then get on top of me. Get on top of me. Like I said, get on top of me if you wish to die. Horribly.
If you wish to die. Okay.
How do you activate this again? You press...
The red button above right trigger. We're coming for you.
Oh, what? What is
I
happening?
was just over there.
Really? That was quick.
How did I not see you all?
I was
right
in
over
the corner,
there.
and then the guy was next to me, and I was like, dude, if you should get on that shit, you know?
Come find me.
Nope.
I'm jumping.
Okay, I see you.
Downstairs.
You just jumped.
No. Downstairs.
Oh, I'm sorry. Where'd you go? No, that's not you.
Jump. 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 Jump.
I don't see you.
Turn around! Jump.
Oh, I'm sorry. I died.
Fuck! I had 3 of them around me.
What does this do? I'm invisible, or I'm either
You're
invisible.
invisible.
I was like, either I'm invisible or on fire.
You ain't on fire. I think you're infected.
Probably.
Stay away from me, Cassie.
What? Okay. Whatever. Double kill. That was awesome.
You can't find me. You can't find me.
Really? Are you kidding me? Invisibility sucks.
Because when you're moving, invisibility don't work.
Okay.
That's why you don't get invisibility when you're flood.
My heart rate just increased and I feel it.
That's fun.
No, not really, because I gotta breathe. Oh, hey, you want to play League tonight?
We can?
I haven't played League in forever. I need to
I shot that person!
I was in math class and someone came past me today and they were talking about League and I was like, I haven't played League in forever. I feel so sad.
Just
like-
downstairs.
He's that way. Tied. 10 points. Heck yeah. We tied with each other.
Did we? No.
No,
I got 30.
never mind. Sorry.
I guess you gotta go now.
Yes, I do. So this was another Let's Play.
I will be uploading this tonight. That's what I'll be doing while playing LOL.
Uploading this?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that was technically Let's Play.
Halo
Not
4.
really.
It was
Halo 4.
reactions to playing Halo 4 Flood. That's some good shiz.
This, yeah.
That's some good shiz.
There you go. So you were watching, apparently if you watched 40 minutes of us reacting to Halo 4 Flood,
You crazy.
you probably are crazy like us. So, if you're crazy like us, subscribe to Saphira Moon Girl's channel.
And go find Qutiyabluejay and
Find my
subscribe to
channel,
her.
And subscribe to me too.
don't
If you
care
get
if
to my
I get
channel and
subscribes.
you're like, there's no videos here, do not worry. I'm planning on uploading my vlogs here soon.
Same here. I have never uploaded a vlog, so I'm going to end up uploading my first vlog and all this other stuff.
I have videos on my computer I am currently editing, and once I get all of that edited, stop that. Once I get that all edited, I'm gonna put it on my channel, and it's gonna be awesome. I am a newbie vlogger, so please do criticize me, not harshly, but gently.
I'm a new vlogger, so if I'm doing something wrong or if I could do something better, please let me know in the comments, and we'll see how
Comments
this goes.
below.
This is kind of,
This is new for us.
yeah, very new. So.
We just wanted to try it out and see how it goes. So I'm Qutiyabluejay.
I'm Saphira. Well,
Fly away, my Blue Jays.
I'm not technically Saphira. I'm Saphira Moon Girl 13. But close
this
enough.
is Saphira for short.
Yeah.
It's easier to remember that way.
So I'll see you all later.
Fly away, my Blue Jays. Bye.